Now let's look at a couple of more extensions. One other concept is similar to MRP. We can set up a system called distribution resource planning. It's called DRP. And this is used to manage supply chain. And you take instead of gross requirements being master production schedule, and you have the expected demand or forecast, they are used in place of gross requirements. And then you work different levels of supply chain. So DRP pulls the inventory through the system from different suppliers and works its way through. Now, ERP is the current version of MRP, where you take the MRP and include everything that an enterprise does. So MRP becomes the core, but all other activities performed by the company are tacked onto this, and it becomes a huge system that encompasses everything that a company does. It allows for the automation and integration of all the business processes. We have common database, so information is consistent throughout the company, and everything is automated. So here let's look at what that system will look like. So ERP will include, of course, the basic MRP, but it also will include the financial systems, human resource systems, supply chain management system, customer relationships from marketing and sales and sustainability, and everything is included into this mega system. Here is how that system will work. See, this is the core part of the MRP, but ERP lays several layers around it. So you have the marketing and customer relations here, financial systems here, and supply chain management on the vendor side here. So the entire company's operations are managed in this ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning System. So here is the top part where you have the sales orders from our customers, invoicing on one side, shipping and distribution on the other side. And the sales orders will then drive your MRP, will be used to prepare the master production schedule. The master production schedule will then drive the MRP. So this is the MRP part. We already looked at this. So master production schedule, bill of materials, and the inventory management, purchase orders to the vendors, and this is the production orders. So this system manages everything to do with the inventory. And on the bottom, you have the supply chain and supply chain management, and of course that supply chain management will connect to the financial systems for payment of invoice. On the top side, you have the customer order invoices being sent out to customers and get payments made. And this is the financial side. So from the top, from the customer side, you will have accounts receivable, and from the vendor side, you will have accounts payable, and then all the other financial accounting systems. So ERP will have the MRP at the core, and at the outer layers you will have the supply chain management, the accounting and financial systems, and then you have your customer side of the production system. So ERP system, because it automates and includes everything in it, it improves consistency of data and consistency of information. And initial cost is expensive. It's time consuming to install the system. It's complex, but once it is done, the benefits that you can derive are enormous. SAP is a software that offers ERP system, and here is the schema for the SAP system.